Hey everybody, how's it going? So I got a quick little haul from Walmart, picked up a movie, and picked up 5 more jugs of ATF. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is going on, everybody? How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. So I got 5 more ATF 1-gallon jugs here. Here is the original 4 that gallons I picked up. Picked up more because I got several transmissions that I'm going to be working on. Picking up fluid and everything needed before the jobs need to be done. And I picked up the Henry Golding Snake Eyes, the G.I. Joe Origins movie. Today is Thursday, October 21st. It's like 11:52. It's almost Friday. But I picked up 4 more jugs because I got 1 jug for $16.98 because that's the price that was on the shelf. But they could not apply that price to every single bottle, and what they did is I actually scanned one of the bottles that came up as $17.97, like I bought these 4 down here for, and that's sold and shipped by Walmart, so they actually price matched the other 4 at the $17.94, and then this movie comes up as $29 in store. That's the price tag in stores at Walmart. As well as online it says $34.99, but the online price shipped and sold by Walmart was $24.98, so I ended up getting several dollars off this, and then I got a bunch off of these because these jugs were actually ringing up as $23 or $24 a piece. So you can find these if you go to like the specific Walmart that I keep finding these jugs at is my normal Santan Walmart. They're the only ones that I found, including Casa Grande, Coolidge, Mesa, Rittenhouse, which is in Queen Creek. All of them are way higher. They don't ring up at $17. Just a quick video. And also, if you guys have seen this movie, you guys let me know what you think of this movie, Snake Eyes. I like the original G.I. Joe. Kind of wish they had more than 1 or more than 2 of the G.I. Joe movies, but this would be, I guess, the 3rd. It's kind of like freaking X-Men. In my opinion, they stopped doing the actual story about the main stories, and they go into these origin stories for some reason. Kind of like there's 5 movies about Wolverine, and it has nothing to do with X-Men. It sounds like they kind of did that with G.I. Joe. They kind of went into like the origins of the people in the movie. Which Snake Eyes, I guess, is one of the main characters, that nobody knows why he's always behind a mask. So figured I'd pick it up and see if it's a good movie. A lot of people say it's a good movie, so you guys let me know what you guys think of it. If you liked it or disliked it, leave your guys' comments down below. But that's all I got for you guys today. Just stocking up on oil for a bunch of transmission jobs I need to do. And I figured I'd share that you can find these deals. This is the 2nd time I found this deal. I appreciate you guys watching. As always, please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. I have 9 gallons here. I also have 2 of these in the chemical shed, or the barn that I leave all my chemicals and stuff in. But that's all I got for you guys today. Leave comments down below about the movie. Valvoline Max Life Full Synthetic ATF. It's good stuff. It's Dextron, VI, Mercon, LV, Dex Merc. You can use this in a lot of vehicles. I wouldn't recommend this in Fords. There's a blue bottle that's more recommended for Fords. But that's all I got for you guys today. Hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!